This traffic stop turned into a sudden nightmare for her kids as she decided to fight cops over some expired tags.
I'm gonna have a picture because my stuff got damaged in my last house.
That's missing all the numbers from here over.
Well, that's what I have right now. So I'll go back to the house.
I don't have a lot of good news for you. They want your tag back as well, so I have to take that. Okay.
You have to park the car and call an Uber with the kids.
Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
Try to park somewhere safer and get towed.
Yeah. So give me a second to take the tag off, and then I'll come back up here. I'll get you out of here. Okay?
Yes, sir. I'll take it off. Excuse me.
I got it.
No, pardon me.
Please go have a seat.
It's my car.
Although it wasn't captured on the body cam, as per the police report, Danielle slapped the glasses off the officer's face, leaving him bleeding, then removed his radio, and even tried stabbing him with his own pen. She's really on some John Wick shit.
In the gas station parking lot.
He's bleeding. You did that.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Now.
Hey guys. It's okay. Everything's gonna be all right, guys. Okay.
I don't want to put my weight on my stomach.
Okay. Give me this one, and then we'll run inside.
The ground is. I'm trying to. Ow!
Sir, is there any weapons in the car? Do you have any weapons on you? Here, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick so you can deal with the kids.
Stop it. Stop it.
You're fine. You gotta get it out. You're fine. Tighten it up. Hold up. No, you can breathe. You're fine. I know. I get it.
We had an expired tag.
I get it. I got you, man. I got you.
And I told her let the officer take the tag. I said let the officer take the tag off.
And all of a sudden she started struggling. She reached for the officer and she took the pen out.
Okay, wow.
Put it to her right hand. My impression was she was going to use it as a weapon and stab him
Okay,
in
yeah,
the face
sure.
or the neck.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, okay.
And I screamed at her, got her attention. I reached over and took it from her.
Awesome, thank you for doing
And then
that.
that's when all the
Police arrived. Thank you so much for what you did.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
You're not going to get enough credit for it, but just know you did an awesome thing for us. So, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right.
I promise I won't do anything.
Relax.
All right, take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath. We're gonna set you up.
Is she driving the car?
Yeah,
I don't know what's going on. So you're
Let's take
choose
a
the driver? Okay.
No, I said let's take an Uber.
Come straight up. Do you have anything illegal on you? It's gonna cut me, stick me, or poke me?
No, ma'am. Hold on. Can I please get my bearing? Hold on. You know what? Excuse me.
Do the dollar in that one. You wearing a bra or is it just way up there?
It's a bra. It's a front.
It's on the front.
It's on.
You don't have anything over the bra? Just the underwire?
It's unhooked.
It's unhooked in the front? Okay. Okay.